going on, vapors? Started the vaping game and is back again. We've got the Avid artisan Daedalus. We've got it out again. We're going to make some 0.2 ohm fused claptons. I'm running low, so I need to bang a few more out, get them out there, give them to a few friends. Building up for a giveaway as well, so we've got to make a fair few coils out for that. For this one, we're going to be using some 26 gauge 316L stainless steel from Crazy Wire. Only place I buy my coil from. It is absolutely amazing. Such great quality. Never had one problem with it. If we smash that off the top there, right below it we've got some NI80 at 40 gauge. It's going to be our outer wrap. Yes, as you've seen in previous videos, I do like my 90 chrome outer wrap. Personal preference, as in everything in vaping. But so I'm going to just show you how actually fast this Daedalus. Let's swing it to the side of it. Excuse the mess. There's the Daedalus. Beauty. Yes, we are going to smash this out. So here we go. I'm going to show you how fast this can actually be done. This thing will pump out claptons like you cannot believe. Like I say, dual core on this, 26 gauge per core with a 40 gauge 90 chrome outer wrap. We're put around about a 0.2, 0.21, but we'll see how it goes. Again, excuse the noise, because working with a drill, what the hell do you expect? It ain't going to be quiet now, is it? So, we'll start this off, bring it on slow. Oh yeah, it's building. Dun, 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 dun. Right, I'm going to bring this camera angle out a bit more for you guys. Excuse this. Got my wires are going boing boing. Ding, ding, ding. Right. Boom. We're going to snip this end off here, just see where we are. Right there. And I'll reach over here, grab a handle. Zoom out, because we're going to straighten this out a bit, because it's still very twisted. There we go. I'll bring it down let you guys see what I'm doing here. So as you can see, all these twists that are in it. Just get a pair of pliers. Pin it somewhere. Good, good grip. So I've got pin it there, stick it in reverse. There you go, look at that. Do the same further down the line. There you are, guys. Look at that. Just look how tight those wraps are. Not one space between them. I mean, oh, it is a beauty vape. It really is. Like I say, so pop this into a coil, and I've at it. Let's see how it goes, guys. See you in a minute. There we have it, boys and girls. Up close and personal. 0.2 ohms. Fused Clapton. 26 gauge dual core with the last of my NI80 40 gauge. Oh, the horror, the pain. Out of 40 gauge. Ah, well, no one can do about that, so yep, there we have it. And that's as simple as it is. That's that. So, yep, we've got a beautiful little fused Clapton right there. Focus in. There we go. Excuse the cuts and stuff on my fingers. That's from braiding coils. If you saw the previous video, it shreds you. There's no two ways about it. When you're pulling strands of wire, but so yeah, we've got that one. We've got a still a good stretch of fused Clapton right there. So I've got another good 3 coils out of that lot. So before in total, but yeah, the ohm now at 0.2 every day, all day. 3mm coil jig, 226 gauges of stainless steel 36016L, 40 gauge outer wrap of nichrome 80. Yeah, 0.2 all day long. You can just churn those out, unless you're like me, you run out of nichrome and you're nice effectively off now because you've got nothing else to do. Brief. Nah, I'm over it. Yep, so that's it. Hope this was helpful. I hope it helped you out. Daedalus, one way around. There we go. We'll get it right eventually. The jig, no nichrome. And yeah, all the wire that was used, like I said, is crazy wire. You got 26 gauge, and there's your nichrome 40 gauge, yeah, NI80. All gone. But yep, so hit the like, hit that subscribe, leave me a comment down below. There are going to be some giveaways doing. Also, you can hit me up on Facebook, Sadari the Vaping Gamer. I've got a page on there now. I'm also on Instagram under the same name. I'll put all the links down below. Announcements of giveaways, upcoming things, the usual. You don't need me to explain this to you. You've seen it all before, you've heard it all before. But so thank you for watching, and I hope to see you all again. See you soon.